Vonway no deposit bonus. Disclaimer: this channel doesn't promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel are meant for educational purpose only. Trading in any form involves risks. We are not responsible for any kind of losses. It's very important to do your own analysis before making any investment based on your personal circumstances. Vonway Forex no deposit bonus. Forex deposit bonus. XM Forex DBS MetaTrader 4 Trading Forex. Best platform for trading Forex. Trading Forex MT4. Best broker for trading Forex. If you are a new trader and trying to find a good broker to begin with, you might be tempted with brokers that promise you free deposit bonus. Like this new broker, Vonway, for example. Vonway is an online forex broker that provides a wide range of financial instruments to its clients all over the world. However, many of you are still unsure whether this broker is trustworthy. Because of the recent complaints, we believe it is a good time to conduct a thorough review of this broker so that you have a clear understanding of this broker before making a decision. Vonway, also known as Vonway Global Limited, is an online forex broker with over 5 years of experience. This broker's physical address is Suite 305, Griffith Corporate Center, P.O. Box 1510, Beachmont, Kingstown, St. Vincent and the Grenadines. As a result, we can conclude that this broker is SVG based. St. Vincent and the Grenadines is an appealing location for financial firms to conduct business through an offshore company. There is no strict regulation or oversight of the company's operations in place. The SVG broker can conduct business and accept credit card payments for Forex, but it is not supervised. Vonway Forex offers leverage up to 1 to 500, which is not surprising for an unlicensed broker. Leverage has been capped in most of the world due to concerns about retail traders losing too much of their investment. Leverage of 1 to 500 is considered high. We do not recommend that newcomers to try it. Vonway Forex no deposit bonus. Forex deposit bonus. XM Forex DBS MetaTrader 4 Trading Forex. Best platform for trading Forex. Trading Forex MT4. Best broker for trading Forex. Vonway doesn't disclose spreads and commissions, including the spread on the major Euro-USD pair. Unregulated brokers frequently conceal their actual trading fees in order to defraud more traders. Vonway Forex accepts credit card and wire transfer deposits. However, the latter are not eligible for refunds. And this applies to all transactions using them, not just those with vonway forex. Vonway is not regulated. According to the WikiFX database, the NFA's official regulatory status with license number 0507197 is unauthorized. Vonway doesn't qualify as a licensed broker. WikiFX has given this broker a low rating of 1.9410. The exposure section of WikiFX is made up of trader feedback. Brokers with a poor track record can be investigated using exposure. WikiFX exposure function allows you to get feedback from other traders and be reminded of the risks before they occur. According to a trader from the Philippines, this broker is a scam. He attempted to withdraw funds from his account but was unsuccessful. This broker's customer service is completely useless. He eventually lost contact with vonway. We personally don't say that vonway is a scam, but remember, it's crucial to exercise caution and conduct thorough research when choosing a forex broker. Verify their credibility, check their regulatory status, and consider their overall reputation before making any financial commitments. Vonway Forex No Deposit Bonus. Forex Deposit Bonus. XM Forex DBS. MetaTrader 4. Trading Forex. Best platform for trading Forex. Trading Forex MT4. Best broker for trading Forex. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you again with some more interesting topics about trading and how to make money online.